Let's see how you can reset or restore the default settings of PowerPoint app. To do that, in our search bar we need to write here registry editor, then open that, select your yes. Now we need to open the sidebar of H key current user. Now select here software, then Microsoft. Now you have to open Office folder. Select here 16. Now keep the cursor on PowerPoint and right click on mouse. Select here delete. Click here yes. Okay, now you are done. Just close the registry tab and your PowerPoint is reset.